Hello and welcome to your lecture on white matter tracts in the central nervous system. So during these sessions you're going to see this software, which is an image viewer, an MRI image viewer, in order to visualize the tracts that we're going to be talking about, the white matter tracts that we're going to be talking about. Just a little bit about this software. The software is called MRTrix. It's the image viewer within a research software called MRTrix. You guys can all freely download it and install it on your computers. There's a bit of a learning curve to do that, but it's possible. And the image that you're seeing right now is an MRI scan, a T1 weighted MRI scan. And it's a bit of a funny MRI scan because it's not really an MRI scan of any individual person, but it's an average scan of 152 individuals in what is called the MNI template. The MNI being Montreal Neurological Institute template. So this is the MNI template. But for all intents and purposes for your anatomy, you can treat it as a regular MRI scan of the brain. Some other features that you'd note that this scan is slightly different to others. The skull has been removed, and you can see all three sections: your coronal section here, sagittal, and axial section, and they're all synchronized. So if I move in one, the crosshair remains in the center of the image, just so that you get an overview of what we're about to be about to show you. I will be switching quite regularly between this view and another view, which is a three-dimensional render of the brain. It's not the best rendering, but we can use this view to get a three-dimensional view of the tracts. In any case, we'll go into this a little bit later on in the program. I will not be recording this all at once. Everything will be done in small blocks so that you can watch these videos at your own pace. And we'll go from there. If anyone has any questions, please look me up, Claude Bayada, on the university website, and please do not hesitate to send me any emails, particularly if groups of people have misunderstandings. And we'll take it from there. See you in the next